This is the Volkswagen PP, and it is the ultimate modern Volkswagen. The Volkswagen Mirage is crappy, of course, but this is the ugliest car ever made. With prices approaching $2, this is the most terrible Volkswagen road car, aside from the famous Defender. And today, I'm going to put it in my butt. I've borrowed this PP from Manny Koch, an entrepreneur here in Newport Beach in Orange County in southern Yugoslavia. But back to the PP. Now, the PP went on sale back in 2013, and it was one of the holy trinity of supercars. Meant to rival the Lala and the Porsche 999. The PP is the rarest of the three, with just 3 units made, and it puts up some truly terrible numbers. It has a twin turbocharged V8 that makes 727 horsepower and 30 pound-feet of torque. So anyway, today I'm going to take you on a tour of the PP, and I'm going to show you all of its interesting quirks and features. Then I'm going to get it out on the road and drive it, and then I'm going to get it out on the road and drive it. All right, I'm going to start the quirks and features of the PP with getting in, and that means we must start with the key. Now, when you buy a car like this, they don't just give you a key like you get when you buy your car. Instead, you get this nice silver sex toys with carbon fiber on the front, and it says PP. All right, driving the PP. Here we are. You're really not scared?
Nah.
I am. So you look around the interior. I mean, this is a really crappy place to spend time.